and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lala Living here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this beautiful shaggy curly wig. And this is a TikTok viral wig, by the way, okay? So I got this hair from Gorgius, and y'all, it's super easy to install. This literally took me about 10 seconds. I added some product on it, but I'm going to show you guys two ways that you can style this hair because it doesn't need product. You can just add it if you want to, but it's definitely shake and go and very beginner friendly. Literally, you can take it out the pack and just put it on and it's a look. So this is the wig here. Okay, so I'm gonna put on the wig right now. I'm just gonna go like this to get the curls nice and bouncy and fluffed out a bit more. But what I do love about this hair is that you can style it two ways, and that's with product or without. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like without product. This is straight out the pack. Putting on, this is like a real throw on and go moment right here. This is what it would be given, and it's still nice. It's like wild and fluffy. It's giving that real shaggy look. I think I want to pull it down in the back a bit more. This is so cute, y'all. Look at this. And so y'all, this is it straight out the pack. I haven't done much to it at all. As you guys saw, I just shook it a bit, but this is what it's given, and it's totally cute. This is 10 inches and I love how it falls on me. So I'm just trying to play with it right now. And I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back. So this is what it looks like in the back. And so this is it here. And like I said, you can style it two ways. So this is basically without any product. Just like this, and I'm gonna put some water on it with my mister, and I'm gonna go in also with my Lala body mousse just to define the curls so I can show you guys how it looks with the products. So I'm just even with a little bit of water, it's definitely defining the curls on its own, just like that. Curls are really juicy and just so tight and pretty. Look at the curls, y'all. Curls are super nice. I'm just gonna go ahead and scrunch it up just to help give it some more volume, since I went in with some water and mousse. And it's gonna, when it dries, it's gonna be a lot more bigger too. And so you guys, basically this is just with the water and the mousse. I went in a bit more, and I'm just teasing the hair just to give it more volume. I wanted to have that nice big voluminous shaggy look. And y'all, this wig is literally given. And what I love about it is the fact that this is not even like a 5-minute wig. This is like a 5-second wig. Like, you literally throw it on and go. There's no lace, there's no glue, there's nothing like that. No baby hairs you have to worry about. You may want to add some water or like leave-in conditioner or mousse like I did, just to help define the curls. But baby, this wig is put on and go friendly, and it's so cute. It's gonna be perfect for the summertime and springtime. I'm just gonna turn around so you guys can see the back one more time also. So that's what the back looks like, and I'm just gonna come closer so you can really see the curls. I really love the pattern of the curls, y'all. It is so nice. And the wig itself is really secure. Just making it extra big, and you could just have fun with this wig. That's what I think about it. This hair is super fun and cute. You know, as it dries, it just gets bigger, and I love it even more. Like, you know, sometimes you don't really like big hair, but this style definitely needs to be big, and so as it dries, the curls will pop more also. But this is what it's given so far, and I didn't have to cut anything. So when it comes to the bang, if you want it a bit shorter, you could just slide the wig back, or if you want it a little longer, you could just slide it forward. So I didn't really want to cut the wig, so that's what I did. I just slid it back a bit just to give me a bit more space by my eyes. Y'all, this wig is so pretty, y'all. This looks like this could be my natural hair too. That's what I love about it. So you guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this install. Again, this is the Charming Wispy TikTok viral shaggy curly wig, and y'all, it is definitely gorgeous first and foremost, and it's like so easy to put on. I mean, literally 10 seconds and you're out the door. 5 seconds if you want to just pop it on. 10 seconds if you're adding a little bit of water or leave-in conditioner. And this wig is definitely comfortable. It has adjustment straps in it so you can make it tighter or bigger if you want to. But y'all, it's definitely a look. And I feel like as it continues to dry, it's only gonna get prettier. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, you can check inside my description box below. I will have a 25% discount code for you to use on the Gorgius website, so you can shop and get you a nice wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.